Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aditya Putra Pradana, class 13.28.39 System Information. Here I will explain about inside the computer and hardware. Introduction to computer hardware. The computer hardware refers to all the cycle components that make up a computer system. Unlike software, which consists of program and data, hardware includes tangible parts you can see and touch, from the processor and memory to storage drives and input device. Understanding hardware is essential because these components directly determine your computer performance, capabilities, and reliability. In this presentation, we'll explore the key hardware components that work together inside every computer: the motherboard, CPU, RAM, storage device, GPU, power supply, and cooling system. Each play a vital role in processing data, storing information, and delivering the computer power we really on daily. Let's dive into what makes your computer tick. The motherboard, the computer backbone. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all computer components together. It serves as the central hub for power distribution and enable communication between the CPU, RAM, storage device, and peripherals. Every component flows into or connects to the motherboard. Key features include expansion slot like PCIe for graphic cards and M.2 for SSD, RAM slot for memory modules, and the chipset that coordinates data flow between components. The chipset manages communication speed and determines which processor and memory types are compatible. The Central Processing Unit, CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer, responsible for execution, instruction, and performing calculation. It processes data through instruction cycles: fetch, decode, execute, and store. Modern CPU contain multiple cores, allowing the to handle several tasks simultaneously and dramatically improving overall performance. Key CPU component includes core processing unit, clock speed measured in gigahertz, determining how fast instruction execute, and cache memory, small ultra-fast storage for frequently accessed data, higher core counts and clock speed mean better multitasking and faster program execution for demanding application. Random access memory, RAM. What is RAM? RAM serves as temporary storage for active data and program your computer is currently using. Unlike permanent storage, RAM is volatile, data is lost. When power is off, more RAM allows your system to handle more tasks simultaneously without slowdown. RAM types and speeds: DDR3 or the standard 800 to 2133 MHz lower bandwidth. DDR4 currently mainstream 2133 to 3200 MHz improve efficiency. DDR5 latest generation for 4800 to 8400 plus megahertz, double bandwidth, and better power management. Impact on performance: multitasking, more RAM, more application running smoothly and at once. Responsiveness, faster RAM speed, schedule to load times and lag. Capacity matter: 8 GB minimum for basic use, 16 to 32 GB for power user and gaming. Storage device: HDD versus SSD. HDD hard disk drive, user mechanical spinning pressure and write or write heads to storage to store data. Offers slower read or write speed but provides higher storage capacity at a lower cost per gigabyte. Ideal for bulk storage and archival purpose. SSD, solid state drives, utilize flash memory with no moving parts for data storage delivers significantly faster access times and improved durability. Higher cost per GB but offers superior performance, making it excellent for operating system and frequently accessed file. Graphic Process Unit (GPU). The GPU is responsible for rendering image, video, and animation displayed on your screen. It offloads graphic-intensive tasks from the CPU, processing 2,000 of calculations simultaneously through parallel processing architecture. GPU comes in two types: integrated, built into the CPU, power efficient for basic tasks, and dedicated, separate card with own memory for demanding workloads. Essential for gaming, video editing, rendering, and AI or machine learning application. Power Supply Unit (PSU). The power supply unit converts AC power from your wall outlet into the C power that computer component need. It distributes appropriate voltage to the motherboard, storage drives, GPU, and other peripherals. Without reliable PSU, your system cannot function properly or safely. Wattage ratings indicate total power output capacity thus, based on your system requirement. Efficiency rating like 18 plus bronze, gold, platinum show how effectively the PSU convert power, reducing heat and electric costs. Higher efficiency means less waste energy and cooler operation. Cooling system. Air cooling fans primary method of heat removal through air circulation inside the case. Case fan draw cool air in, expel hot air out. CPU fans directly cool the processor. Multiple fan configuration optimize airflow pattern for maximum cooling efficiency. Heat sinks and thermal pass. Heat sink provide passive cooling by absorbing and dissipating heat through metal fans. Thermal pass fills microscopic gaps between CPU and cooler, dramatically improving heat transfer. Quality thermal compound can reduce temperature by 10 to 20 Celsius. Liquid cooling system. Advanced cooling using water or coolant recirculation through taps and radiators. Offers superior heat dissipation for high-performance system. Components include pump, reservoir, water blocks, and radiator. Ideal for cooling and intensive workloads. Input or output ports and expansion slot. USB, HDMI, and audio jack serve as essential input or output connection, allowing you to connect peripherals like keyboard, monitor, speaker, and external storage. Dashboard enable communication between your computer and the outside world, making them crucial for everyday use and productivity. PCI Express (PCI) slot provide expansion capabilities for adding powerful components like dedicated GPU, high-speed SSD, and network cards. These slots are vital for system expandability, allowing you to upgrade performance and add special functions as your computing needs evolve over time. Thank you.